Good morning, my dear students. Today we discuss on fractional fraction, second type of fractional fractions. F of x by g of x is a proper fraction, and g of x contains repeated and or non-repeated linear factor. Repeated and non-repeated linear factor. In first method, we have discussed g of x contains only non-repeated linear factor. First method is 1 by g of x contains only non-repeated linear factors. We take the a by x minus a plus b by x minus b. Okay, in second method, okay, g of x contains repeated linear factor. Repeated linear factors means x minus a whole square and x minus b whole square. You once observe the g of x, here x minus a whole square and x minus b whole square. That means x minus a whole square means x minus a into x minus a. X minus a is repeated 2 times and x minus b whole square. That means x minus b into x minus b. Okay, here also x minus b repeated 2 times. X minus a is the linear factor, but it is repeated. But in first case, x minus a is repeated only 1 time. X minus b also repeated 1 time. These are called the non-repeated linear factors. But here, linear factors are repeated. Repeated linear factors. We take the some constant a by first factor x minus a plus b by x minus a whole square. X minus a whole square. If we have power 3, okay, we take the c by x minus a whole cube. C by x minus a whole cube. If here you have power 4. In case of power 4, we take plus d by x minus a whole power 4. But here only square a by x minus a plus b by x minus a whole square. And after the second factor x minus b whole square. But x minus b also repeated linear factor. That's why you take the c by x minus b plus. In case of the power layer only x minus b only the fraction is c by x minus b only. But you have x minus b whole square. That's why you take the c by x minus b plus fourth constant d by x minus b whole square. This is the second type of fractional fractions. G of x contains, first of all, fraction is a proper fraction and g of x containing the repeated linear factors. Okay, we discussed the one example on 7th exercise 7a, third Roman first problem, x squared minus x plus 1 by x plus 1 into x minus whole square. Once observe the fraction, it is a proper fraction. Okay, and g of x containing the repeated linear factor. X minus 1 whole square is a repeated linear factor and x plus 1 is a non-repeated linear factor. Okay, we take the first order of f of x is equal to order of f of x is equal to 2 and order of g of x is equal to 3. Okay, here power is 1 and x square means quadratic equation. 2 plus 1, 3. Order of the g of x is 3. Order of f of x is less than order of g of x. Therefore, given fraction is a proper fraction. Therefore, given fraction is a proper fraction. Okay, now we take the x squared minus x plus 1 by x plus 1 x minus 1 whole square is equal to, okay, a by the first factor. Observe the first factor x plus 1 is a non-repeated linear factor. Non-repeated linear factor. It is a type 1 of fractional fraction. You take the a by only x plus 1. and you observe the second factor x minus 1 whole square. X minus 1 whole square is a repeated linear factor. That's why you take the b by x minus 1 plus c by x minus 1 whole square. If you have the power 3, we take the fourth constant d by x minus 1 whole cube. X minus 1 whole cube. In case of power 3 unte fourth constant d by x minus 1 whole cube. Power 4 unte plus e by x minus 1 whole power 4 వస్తుంది. బట్ ఇక్కడ మాత్రం పవర్ 2 నే ఉంది కాబట్టి c వరకు వెళ్తాం. c by x minus 1 whole square. This is the first and very important step. In case of this step miss ayindante rest of the problem will be wrong. Okay, this is Roman number 1. Okay, next we take the LCM on both sides. X square minus x plus 1 by x plus 1 x minus 1 whole square is equal to, here LCM is x plus 1 of x minus 1 whole square. The LCM is a of x minus 1 whole square, a of x minus 1 whole square plus b of x plus 1 into x minus 1 plus c of x plus 1 only. Okay, both sides LCM is always get cancelled. That implies x square minus x plus 1 is equal to a of x minus 1 whole square plus b of x plus 1 into x minus 1 plus c of x plus 1. Okay, this is the equation number 1. Okay, now we find the constant a, b, c. Okay, put x is equal to substitution and we get the constant values a, b, c. Okay, put x is equal to 1 on both sides. Put x is equal to 1. We get the value is 1 minus 1 plus 1 is equal to a of 1 minus 1 whole square plus b of 1 plus 1 into 1 minus 1 plus c of 1 plus 1. C of 1 plus 1 1 is equal to a into 1 minus 1 is 0 plus b of 1 minus 1 0 is something 0 plus c of 2. Okay, answer is 1 is equal to 2c, c is equal to 1 by 2. That implies c is equal to 1 by 2. Okay, we substituted the x is equal to 1, we get the c is equal to 1 by 2. Next, we substituted the x is equal to minus 1. Put x is equal to minus 1. Put x is equal to minus 1 on both sides. Minus 1 whole square minus of minus 1 plus 1 is equal to a of minus 1 minus 1 whole square plus b of minus 1 plus 1 into minus 1 plus c of minus 1 plus 1 whole square. Sorry, minus 1 plus 1. Here value is 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to a of minus 2 whole square plus b of 0 plus c of 0. That implies 3 is equal to 4a. That implies a is equal to 3 by 4. A is equal to 3 by 4. Okay, put x is equal to 1, we get the c value 1 by minus 1 by 2, and put x is equal to minus 1, we get the a is equal to 3 by 4. We get the only two constants c and a. Okay, we not get the 3 or 2 now, but we substituted the a h value as 0 got chance level. In non-repeated linear factor, we not get the all the constant value by substitution method. Okay, by doing the third quotient, we comparing the quotient value or substituted any x value. Substituted any x value. Put x is equal to 0. Third constant రాయడానికి x value means ఏ constant value రాసినా వచ్చేస్తది. Okay, x is equal to 0, put x is equal to 0, we get the value of 0 square minus 0 plus 1 is equal to a of 0 minus 1 whole square plus b of 0 plus 1 into 0 minus 1 plus c of 0 plus 1. Okay, 1 is equal to a, here is minus b plus c. 1 is equal to a value 3 by 4 minus b plus c value is 1 by 2. Okay, here b is equal to 3 by 4 plus 1 by 2 minus 1. The LCM is 4 only. 3 plus 2 minus 4. The value is 1 by 4. B is equal to 1 by 4. B is equal to 1 by 4. Okay. Therefore, A, B, C substitute in equation Roman number 1. Equation Roman number 1. Okay. Roman number 1. Roman number 1 is x square minus x plus 1 by the value is x plus 1 of x minus 1 whole square is equal to a by x plus 1 plus b by x minus 1 plus c by x minus 1 whole square. We substituted the a value. A value is 3 by 4. 3 by 4 of x plus 1 plus b value is 1 by 4. 1 by 4 of x minus 1 plus c value is 1 by 2. C value is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 of x minus 1 whole square. This is the final answer. Okay. This is the second type of partial fraction. G of x contain the repeated linear factor. Here observe the x minus 1 whole square. We take the b by x minus 1 plus c by x minus 1 whole square. Rest of the problem is remaining are same. First of all, LCM, both sides LCM are cancelled and substituted the x values. We get the constant values finally. Here number of fraction fractions are 1, 2, 3. Number of fraction fractions are 3. This is the second type of fraction fractions. Okay. Next we take another example in this problem. Okay. The second example. Okay. 9 by Roman number 3. Second problem. 9 by x minus 1 into x plus 2 whole square. 9 by x minus 1 into x plus 2 whole square. This is also second type of. Here after the x minus 1 is a non-repeated linear factor and x plus 2 is a repeated linear factor. Okay, we take the a by x minus 1 plus b by x plus 2. X plus 2 is a repeated linear factor. Its power is 2. That's why we take the b by x plus 2 plus c by x plus 2 whole square. C by x plus 2 whole square. Okay, the first step is very important. If first step is the rest of the problem first step clear the it is a proper fraction or improper fraction, and next after the g of x type of the g of x. G of x is a repeated linear factor or non-repeated linear factors. X minus 1 is a non-repeated linear factor. That's why we take the a by x minus 1 only. But x plus 2 is a repeated linear factor with power 2. That's why we take the b by x plus 2 power 1 plus c by x plus 2 power 2 x plus 2 whole square. If power 3 unte in case of next d by x plus 2 whole cube కూడా వస్తుంది. ఇది ప్రాబ్లం. నెక్స్ట్ ఏం చేస్తే 9 is equal to a of x plus 2 whole square plus b of x minus 1 into x plus 2 plus c of x minus 1. This is the LCM. Next we put the x is equal to minus 2 ones and x is equal to 1, and we get the two values, and third value was x value is ఏదైనా సబ్స్టిట్యూషన్ చేస్తే వస్తుంది. ఓకే, రిమైనింగ్ ప్రాబ్లం మీరు ట్రై చేయండి. ఓకే, ఇందులో నెక్స్ట్ థర్డ్ ప్రాబ్లం we have 1 by 1 minus 2x whole square and 1 minus 3x. Roman number 3, third problem. Okay, second problem you can continue. Next third problem it is a, first we observe that it is a proper fraction or improper fraction. Proper fraction or improper fraction, it is a proper fraction. And next observe the coefficient of g values for the factors of g values. X minus 1 minus 2x is a linear factor, but power 2 it is a repeated 2 times, but 1 minus 3x is a non-repeated linear factor. That's why we take the a by 1 minus 2x, a by 1 minus 2x plus b by 1 minus 2x whole square. B by 1 minus 2x whole square. Why? 1 minus 2x is a linear factor and it is a repeated linear factor. 1 minus 2x is a repeated linear factor. That's why you take the a by 1 minus x plus b by 1 minus 2x whole square. In case of power 3 unte plus c by 1 minus 2x whole cube also. Next observe the second factor 1 minus 3x. 1 minus 3x is a repeated or non-repeated linear factor. 1 minus 3x is a non-repeated linear factor. That's why you take the only c by 1 minus 3x only. 1 minus 3x. Next LCM a of 1 minus 2x 1 minus 2x into 1 minus 3x plus b of 1 minus 2x plus c of 1 minus 2x whole square. Both sides LCM is cancelled. Now we put the x is equal to 1 by 2 and x is equal to 1 by 3. We get the true values, but our values put x is equal to any real number. We put the x value, a value substitution chesina vachestunadi. But first we substituted the x is equal to 1 by 2. We get the x is equal to 1 by 2. Sorry, 1 minus 2x and 1 minus 3x. Yes, 1 minus 3x. Okay, put x is equal to 1 by 2, you get the b value, and put x is equal to 1 by 3, you get the c value, and put x is equal to 0. Any value, not only 0, you substitute any real number, you get the remaining a value. Okay, this is the second type of fraction, second method of fractions. Next problem, we continue cheyandi. Okay, next problem. Okay, next fourth problem. Okay, 1 by x cube of into x plus a. Fourth problem, 1 by x cube of x plus a. First, we observe it is a proper fraction or improper fraction. First, we observe the given 1 by x cube of x minus x plus a are proper or improper fraction. Okay, it is a proper or improper? Okay, proper or improper fraction? It is a proper fraction. 1 by x cube of x plus a is a proper fraction. Is a proper fraction. Why? Order of the f of x is 0 and order of the g of x is 4. Proper fraction. Here x cube, x minus is a after the g of x polynomial. X plus is a non-repeated linear factor, but x cube is a repeated linear factor or non-repeated linear factor. Okay, x cube is a repeated linear factor. Why? X cube means x minus 0 whole cube. X cube means x minus 0 whole cube. That's why x cube is a repeated linear factor. That's why we take the a by x plus b by x square plus c by x cube. C by x cube. But x is a repeated linear factor with 3 times. That's why you take the a by x plus b by x square plus c by x cube. plus next observe the x plus is a non-repeated linear factor. We take the only 1 by x plus a, only 1 by x plus a. Next step is LCM. Okay, 1 by x cube of x plus a is equal to the LCM is x cube of x plus a. Okay, a of x square of x plus a plus b of x plus a plus c of x plus a plus d of x cube. Both sides LCM is always cancelled. Next 1 is equal to a x square of x plus a plus dx of x plus a plus c of x plus a plus dx cube. Next we substitute some values, we get the values. Put x is equal to 0 once and put x is equal to minus a. If x is equal to 0, a value is 0 and d into 0, d is 0. We get the c value directly. And put x is equal to minus a of 0 and here 0 and here also 0, we get the d value. Put x is equal to 0, we get the c value, and put x is equal to minus a, we get the d value. Next to another more concept, we apply the first method, comparing the quotient of x cube and x square, you get the a and d, and find the a, b, c, d and substitute here, you get the final answer. Okay, rest of the problem meet right side. Okay, in this repeated linear factor, we have another special problems are there. Okay, now we see the problems. Next problems are here. Next Roman number 3, fifth problem, x square plus 5x plus 7 by x minus 3 whole cube. X minus 3 whole cube. In this type of problem, we have another problems also there. Sixth problem, 3x cube minus 8x square plus 10 by x minus 1 whole power 4. And one more problem also there in this type of problem. The problem is, okay, it is example problem, x square plus 5x plus 7 by x minus 3 whole cube. These three problems are same method. Okay, it is also one subject that these three problems, and it is a proper fractions. Three problems are proper fractions, and one subject the g of x polynomial, denominator polynomial x minus 3 whole cube. G of x contains the repeated linear factors. Point x minus 3 is a linear factor, but it is repeated 3 times, x minus 3 whole cube. It is a second type of fractional fractions. We take the a by x minus 3 plus b by x minus 3 whole square plus c by x minus 3 whole cube. C by x minus 3 whole cube. If we have power 4, we take the d by x minus 3 whole power 4. Okay, this is the simplified and LCM, and we substitute the x is equal to 3 and we get the ABC values. But this is a very lengthy method. But here, these three problems are special problems in type 3 problems. It is a second method also there. The method is, when we apply the second method, only g of x containing the only one repeated linear factor. Only one repeated linear factor. Here after the g of x, only x minus 3 is the only one repeated linear factor, and here problem x minus 1 is the only one repeated linear factor. Here x minus 3 is the only one repeated linear factor. Okay, g of x lo only ఒకే ఒక లీనియర్ ఫ్యాక్టర్, రిపీటెడ్ లీనియర్ ఫ్యాక్టర్ ఉన్నప్పుడు సెకండ్ మెథడ్ ఉన్నది. ఆ మెథడ్ ఏంటంటే, దిస్ ఇస్ ద నాట్ వే, వి ఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు సెకండ్ మెథడ్. సెకండ్ మెథడ్ x square plus 5x plus 7 by x minus 3 whole cube. ఈ ప్రాబ్లాన్ని a by x minus 3 plus b by x minus 3 whole square plus c by x minus 3 whole cube అప్లై చేసినా వస్తుంది. But it is a lengthy method. But we have second type of second alternative method is there. That is okay. ఈ సెకండ్ మెథడ్ ఎప్పుడు అప్లై చేయాలంటే g of x contain the only one repeated linear factor ఉన్నప్పుడు మాత్రమే సెకండ్ మెథడ్ అప్లికేబుల్ అవుతుంది. ఓకే, ఇన్ దిస్ మెథడ్ put x minus 3 is equal to y. ఓకే, x minus 3 is equal to y. ఈ ఫ్యాక్టర్ మొత్తం ఏదైతే ఉన్నదో g of x ఫ్యాక్టర్ ఏదైతే ఉందో దాని మొత్తాన్ని y అనుకోవాలి. y గాని t or any constant అనుకోండి. here find the x is equal to y plus 3. x is equal to y plus 3. okay, this substituted in place of x is substituted the y plus 3, we get the answer. okay, x square plus 5x plus 7 by x minus 3 whole cube is equal to, in place of x is substituted the y plus 3 whole square plus 5 of y plus 3 plus 7 by, in place of x is substituted the y plus 3 or x minus 3 is equal to y, we get the value is y cube. In place of x minus 3 get the y. The problem is converted to y. In place of x is substituted the y plus 3, entire fraction converted to y. Now simplify the y plus 3 whole square, a plus b whole square, a square plus 2ab 6y plus b square 9 plus 5y plus 15 plus 7 by y cube. okay, y square and adding the similar terms y square 6y plus 5y 6y plus 5y 11y plus remaining constant value 9 plus 15 plus 7, 9 plus 15 24 plus 7 31 by 31 whole cube by y cube. Now we split the every fraction y square by y cube plus 11y by y cube plus 31 by y cube. 31 by y cube and y square is get cancelled. The remaining value is 1 by y plus y and y square 1 y is cancelled. 11 by y square plus 31 by y cube. 31 by y cube. The problem is coming in terms of y. The main problem is inverse. Now we replace y value in place of y. We replace the x minus 3. We get the value. Okay, the answer is x square plus 5x plus 7 by x minus 3 whole cube is equal to, the answer is 1 by y plus 11 by y square plus 31 by y cube. 1 by, in place of y we replace the x minus 3 value. 1 by x minus 3 plus 11 by x minus 3 whole square plus 31 by x minus 3 whole cube. This is the final fraction answer. Number of fractions are 1, 2, 3. Once you observe the a by x minus 3, 1 by x minus 3, b by x minus 3 whole square, b by x minus 3 whole square plus c by x minus 3 whole square. When you combine these two values, a value is directly 1 and b value is 11, c value is 31. Okay, this is the alternative for method in type 2. Okay, ఈ మెథడ్ ఎప్పుడు అప్లై చేయాలంటే g of x contain the only one repeated linear factor ఉన్నప్పుడు మాత్రమే సెకండ్ మెథడ్ అనేది అప్లికేబుల్ అవుతుంది. ఇన్ కేస్ ఆఫ్ x minus 2 whole cube పక్కన x plus 2 ఉన్న వేరే ఫ్యాక్టర్ వచ్చిందంటే ఈ మెథడ్ అనేది అప్లికేబుల్ కాదు. అప్పుడు కంపల్సరీ ఇదే మెథడ్ అప్లై చేయాలి. కానీ g of x contain the only one linear factor, repeated linear factor ఉన్నప్పుడు మాత్రం ఈ సెకండ్ మెథడ్ వెళ్ళొచ్చు. ఇట్ ఈస్ ఎ వెరీ సింపుల్ మెథడ్. We substituted denominator factor is equal to y and find the x value in terms of y. Entire fraction converted to y and simplify, you get the direct ABCD and direct fractions. Okay, once you observe the here problem also, it is a proper fraction, and here observe the next sixth problem. Here observe the x minus 1 whole power 4. It is g of x contain the only one repeated linear factor. It is also we apply the second method. Put x minus 1 is equal to y and x is equal to y plus 1. Okay, each problem converted to y. In place of x is substituted the y. Okay, 3 of y plus 1 whole cube minus 8 of y plus 1 whole square plus 10 by y power 4 and simplify, you get the answer. It is very easy method. Okay, this is the type 2 fractions. G of x contain the repeated and or non-repeated linear factors, and g of x contain the only repeated linear factor ఉన్నట్టు మాత్రం మనం ఇంకొక ఆల్టర్నేటివ్ మెథడ్ యూజ్ చేయొచ్చు. ఓకే, థాంక్యూ ఫ్రెండ్స్. దిస్ ఇస్ ద homework for your class. Okay, first example, x squared plus 3x plus 15 by 2x plus 3 of x plus 3 whole square, and these four fractions are proper fraction, and g of x contain the repeated and non-repeated linear factors. Okay, this is a by 2x plus 3. 2x plus 3 is a non-repeated linear factor. That's why you take the only a by, and x plus 3 whole square is a repeated linear factor. b by x plus 3 plus c by x plus 3 whole square. This is the first step, and put x is equal to minus 3 by 2, and put x is equal to minus 3. You get the true value, and put x is equal to any real number. You get the third one. Next, second example, it is also proper fraction, and g of x contain the repeated and non-repeated linear factors a by x minus 1 plus b by x minus 1 whole square plus c by x minus 2. Okay, third problem also proper fraction and repeated linear factor a by x plus 1 plus b by x plus 2 plus c by x plus 2 whole square. And fourth problem also a by x minus 3 plus b by x minus 3 whole square plus c by x minus 3 whole cube. But g of x contain the only one repeated linear factor. Here our second method also there. Okay, that is put x minus 3 is equal to y, where x is equal to y plus 3. In place of x, we substitute the y value y plus 3 whole square plus 5 of x. In place of it, substitute the y plus 3 plus 7 by y cube. You get the direct answer. We no need to do this method. When g of x contain the only one repeated linear factor, ఉన్నప్పుడు second method చేయొచ్చు. But 5 remaining 3 problems are repeated linear factors are there and non-repeated linear factors are there. That's why take the ABC constant. But fourth problem, only g of x contain the only one repeated linear factor. That's why you take the another method. Okay, ఈ problems అన్ని simplify చేయండి. Okay, next class lo we discuss the third type of fractions, that is g of x containing the quadratic factor. But here also we have up to we are discuss the only g of x contain the only linear factors only. Next third method we discuss the g of x contain the quadratic irreducible factors and quadratic irreducible repeated factors. Next class lo discuss చేద్దాం. Okay, thank you.